Now we're gonna make sweet potato pies. I baked 4 medium to large sweet potatoes. I'm gonna peel them. We're also gonna add probably a couple sticks of butter, some eggs, lemon extract, vanilla extract. I don't know if I showed it, but the eggs, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So I'll be back after I've peeled the potatoes and I'll have them in the mixing bowl. Okay, we're back. Got the potatoes in here. I mashed them a little bit. Got a bowl of water. And what I'm going to do is use a handheld mixer. Mix these together. Try to get the strings out. Then I'll dip them in this water, the attachments on the handheld mixer. And we'll do that a few times to get as many strings out as we can. Don't look that bad. Needed a deeper bowl of water. I got my sugar in it. And I don't want to dirty up another bowl. See how many strings we got in there already? And these really aren't that bad. A trick my mother told me years ago is if you get big potatoes, there's usually not that many strings in them. I think I'm gonna do it one more time because any strings that are left, they're broken up now with all this mixing. Now that trick on using the mixer, handheld mixer to get the strings out, is something I saw on Grandma Gloria's YouTube channel when she made her sweet potato pies. And then my little brother was telling me my mother used to do that too. So now we're gonna, here's the batter after I got those strings out. We're going to mix up the batter. And I'm going to be using, I have Grandma Gloria's recipe and I have my mother's recipe, and they're pretty much the same. So we're going to follow that. They both call for 4 eggs. So let's do our 4 large eggs. One recipe says 1 tablespoon of the vanilla and the lemon, and the other says a tablespoon, and teaspoon. I'm going to do a tablespoon of each. Here's the lemon, because these were good sized potatoes. And always shake up your flavor and any kind of seasonings before you use it to redistribute the contents. Here's the vanilla. I'll do the cinnamon. One says 1 teaspoon, one says half a teaspoon. And both say 1 teaspoon nutmeg. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, that was nutmeg, sorry. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Here's my cinnamon. And it says 1.5 sticks of butter, or 1 stick of butter. So let's start with 1.5 and see what happens. And this is room temperature butter, but I'm still going to cut it up into squares. That'll help it combine more because the potatoes were baked and cooled before being mashed. There's 1 stick that's cut up. There's another half a stick. We have everything in there. Just need to mix it up. Except for the sugar. Forgot the sugar. Got to add the sugar. I'm gonna start with 1 cup. I have 2 cups in this bowl. I should have melted the butter, but it's gonna be okay. It's not too much of it left. Let's do a little taste test. It's not sweet enough. So I'm gonna add that other cup. Definitely was not sweet enough. Something Grandma Gloria said in her video is that your batter should look like ice cream when it's ready. That's the consistency you're going for. Let's do another test. I think it needs more sugar. I'm gonna put about half a cup more. I think it needs the other. So that's 3 cups total. Now for me, the 3 cups, that makes it sweet enough. But I gotta let my little brother taste it, because he's the sweet potato pie aficionado of the family. You know what I forgot? The Milnot. So I'm gonna add that before my little brother comes to taste it. Mix it up a little bit so that it doesn't splash around. The Milnot is something my mother added. So, my mother's recipe calls for brown sugar, and I overlooked it. I didn't know that. But thankfully, my little brother's here. He remembered. So, this has 3 cups of white sugar, half a cup of packed light brown sugar, and that was the trick. I'm going to put the batter in the fridge for now. I'm either going to bake the pies today or tomorrow, and they'll be ready for Thanksgiving. We're actually having Thanksgiving on Wednesday because my little brother has to work on Thanksgiving Day on Thursday.